Frost warning light. This distinctive light tells the driver that there's probably ice on the road. It turns on when temperatures hit the 4 degrees Celsius 39 degrees Fahrenheit mark or below, and in colder weather it can change color from amber to red. It's difficult to overlook as it typically flashes for 10 seconds and is usually accompanied by a warning alarm or chime. Driving on ice is often a challenge and fraught with risk. You should leave home with a charged mobile phone, a bottle of water, a few snacks and a warm blanket just in case. Can I still drive with my frost warning light on? When the frost warning light turns on, you should ask yourself whether the journey is necessary. If it is, you'll need to pay extra attention to potential hazards and concentrate on delivering a smooth ride. Remember, braking distances can increase tenfold on ice and you may need to use a higher gear than usual to improve your grip on the road.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.